you stuck in verifying downloading files in Once Human, okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step. Okay, the first step for the solve this problem, we are going to the Steam, okay, here, and go to the library. Okay, here in the library we are going to Once Human and go this icon. Go to the properties and okay, you go to the installed files and you verify integrity of game files. Okay, you click okay and you verify the files of Once Human. Okay, the second step, we are going to the general and you put this okay dash dx12 or dash dx11. okay, the third step, okay, we are going to the Steam icon, so go to the settings, go to the downloads and clear cache, okay, and confirm. Okay, this is a 3 step, okay, and you solve the problem. Bye bye.